everybody, thanks for watching. This is our new Tufted Square Ottoman with drawers. Basically, it's going to replace our coffee table. You've got to figure out a replacement for this. We've had 3 kids grow through this, and they've spilled, thrown up, chewed on, everything to this table. It's time to replace. They're hesitant to do it because, of course, kids grow fond of things over time. But we found this nice little leather one that we'll upgrade to put it right there. And we'll have to upgrade our old couch here soon. We found the same one 15 years later for only $2,500. So we'll get a new one here in the next month or two. They just have to assemble it to the color of fabric we want. But I'm going to put this together. I'm going to do a little time lapse to show you how long it takes a guy who's fairly handy and how long it takes to put together. So let's get to it. Oh, super price on this. Sam's Club. $100. I think it's about half of what it was, so they're kind of on clearance. But I'll put a tripod on this phone and we'll put it together. That totally took about 18 minutes. Pretty easy. One warning they say is don't over tighten. And I don't think we did over tighten. Let's flip it over and see how it looks. Okay, I like it. A couple of thin drawers. One on each end. Let's see it a little bit better. Nice dark wood, dark tufted leather. It'll replace this old beater and will look good with a new couch. So there you go. That's from Sears. $100 as of December of 2018. Thanks for watching.